We have noted at Kenya Institute of Public Health that there are so many professionals that have started their journey to attaining the PMP certification, but they have still not been able to do the exam or to take the exam. Also, there are some who have taken the exam and unfortunately they failed. They were not able to pass in the first intake. We have an Acing PMP exam coaching program whereby we are able to support you through coaching strategies and training to be able to ace your PMP exam. This program involves coaching, as you have heard, and the coaching is around the mindset. We coach you about the PMP mindset. There is some mindset you need to develop for you to be able to identify the correct answer and be able to do the exam and pass in the first round or in the next round. We also take you through many practice questions. As a premier authorized training partner, we have over 1,000 practice PMP exam questions, and we shall be able to take you through this. We shall also be able to share so that you can be able to go through them, and this one will help you to prepare for your exams. Finally, we also have materials, a lot of materials, our podcasts that we have recorded for various topics, and we are able to share with you so that you can be able to revise various questions. And every week we have one session that is 2.5 hour session where we shall revise with you, where we shall be able to work together. We shall be able to even look at some targeted topics that give students a big challenge, like agile methodology. We have the risk management, we have conflict management. There are formulas that you need to understand. So this is what we revised during that Tuesday, or those 2.5 hours. And we have a 6-week program, which translates to 15 hours. And therefore, by the time you are done with this revision through this program by certified instructors, you should be ready to sit for your exam. This program only costs $10,000 or $100 US, and you should. If you don't make it the first round, it is much more expensive when you need to resit. So welcome to Kenya Institute of Public Health in our Acing PMP exam coaching program, and let us work together to success.